Well, I made it home and replaced the batteries because I ran out of batteries. Here's the snow on the deck. We had to push it away to get through. That's well, here's the shovel. Here's the shovel here. So let's see. Yeah, that's maybe about an inch left there. It's hard to tell. We sure didn't have a foot. That's for sure. Unless over here. Nah, we didn't get a foot. But it's nice. You can I don't know. Let's see. Will this thing show up? No, it doesn't show. You can see the nice snow on the pine tree. Looks nice.